What's up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and tell everybody because we're litty over here. And without further ado, let's see. Let's see. Y'all know I love me a good old bag. Y'all, I got this for y'all niece. Because the other one, she grew out of it, was not feeling it. And y'all know I love me some Gucci. And I thought this was so cute. Let's see. Excuse my nails, y'all. And y'all niece done scratched up my hand, as y'all can see. Wait, how you? Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, and I had got her a little hat, y'all. So this is the inside of this. Her body could be right here. Her head's out on that side. This is cute, stylish. This is definitely from the DH. Then I got her hat to match mine, because I know I have a few bucket hats. Thought this was so cute. So yeah, y'all, I had to get a carrier purse and a little bucket hat for y'all niece from the DH. And I want to say the hat was 20 and the bag was like 80 or 90. Not too bad, but because you know, now that everybody into our type of fashion, y'all, the prices are hiked up, so it's just like, it's crazy. And yeah, so yeah, just a little cute something. All right, y'all, hope y'all enjoyed this short little unboxing, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.